Hi everyone, I am S.Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Drsnsrcas College of Arts and Science. My topic is capacity to contract. One of the most essential elements of valid contract is the competence of parties to make a contract. Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 defines the capacity to contract of a person to be dependent on three aspects: attaining the age of majority, being of sound mind, and not disqualified from entering into a contract by any law that he is subject to. In this article, we will look at all aspects in deadlined manner. Capacity to contract. According to Section 11, every person is competent to contract who is of the age of majority according to the law of to which he is subject, and who is of a sound mind and is not disqualified from contracting by any law to which he is subject. So we have three main aspects: attaining the age of majority, being of sound mind, not disqualified from entering into a contract by any law that he is subject to. First one, attaining the age of majority. According to the Indian Majority Act 1875, the age of majority in India is defined as 18 years. For the purpose of entering into a contract, even a day less than this age disqualifies the person from being a party to the contract. Any person domiciled in India who has not attained the age of 18 years is determined as minor. Let us look at certain laws governing in a minus agreement. A contract made with a minus is void. Since any person less than 18 years of age does not have the capacity to contract, any agreement made with a minor is void ab initio from the beginning. The example: Peter is 17 years and 6 months old. He needs some money to go on vacation with his friends. He approached a money lender in the borrows of rupees 25,000 as security. He signed some papers mortgaging his laptop and a motorcycle. 6 months later, when he attains the age of majority, he files a suit declared that the mortgages executed by him when he was a minor is void and should be cancelled. While a minor cannot enter the contract, he can be the beneficiary of the one. Section 30 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 also specifies that while a minor cannot become a partner in the partnership firm, the benefits of the firm can be extended of him. A minor is always given a benefit of being a minor, even if a minor falsely represents himself as a major and takes a loan or enters into a contract, he can plead minority. The rule of estoppel cannot be applied against a minor. He can belie his minority in defense. Contract by guardian. Under certain circumstances, a guardian of a minor can enter into a valid contract on behalf of the minor. Such a contract, which the guardian enters into for the benefits of the minor, can also be enforced by the minor. However, guardians cannot bind a minor by the contract for buying immovable property, but a contract entered into by a certified guardian of a minor, appointed by the court with approval from the court for the sale of minor's property, can be enforced. A minor cannot be declared. It is insolvency means it is cannot avail details. Also, if some dues are pending from the properties of the minor and he is not personally liable of the same. The person sound of mind. According to Section 12 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, for the purpose of entering into a contract, a person is said to be a sound mind if he is capable of understanding the contract and being able to access its effects upon its interested. It is important to note that a person who is usually of an unsound mind but occasionally of a sound mind can enter the contract when he is